It was recently reported in a leak on X that the device's screen wouldn't be entirely flat. The screen will feature a 0.3 to 0.4 mm curve on the bezel, according to the user known only as Rotor Super. This refutes any reports that Samsung is aiming for a fully flat screen in their upcoming handset. According to the leaked photos, Samsung wasn't planning to make the screen any smaller. Additionally, according to the source, the S23 Ultra's top and bottom bezel sizes are half that of the previous model, while the left and right bezels are the same size. This implies that Samsung wants to make the Ultra model's screen curvature less pronounced. On previous versions, some users have experienced issues with the screen curve, notably when using the S Pen. The pen can slide down the side of the screen when being used, which has been reported when using it on a curved panel. Samsung may have tried to make up for the problem by reducing the curve on the S23 Ultra, knowing about it. Subsequent to the initial reports that Apple was utilizing titanium for the iPhone 15 Pro, there have been conjectures that Samsung will do the same with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A recent allegation in the Korean journal Elic claims that when the frame case is released the following year, it will be made of titanium instead of aluminium. A Chinese business by the name of Solen is processing the metal alloy. According to the article, the company intends to sell 15 million titanium cases, or as many S24 Ultra units, this year. It's not exactly a risk-free move, the website continues, adding that a low yield may boost the component cost by 4 to 5 times its current $20 price tag. At this point, Samsung has no plans to increase the use of titanium. Depending on how well it does, the business intends to broaden the application. This might include the new Samsung Galaxy S25 range in 2025 or possibly a future foldable, where increased toughness would be quite beneficial if the weight could be managed. In addition to the screen, the S24 Ultra is anticipated to come with a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, an improvement over the existing 10-megapixel one, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in every region. However, software modifications may be the most significant alteration to the device, as Samsung intends to integrate generative AI into its next generation of phones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.